Hey guys, hope you are doing great. We already know that Marvel Cinematic Universe assembled the core members of the Avengers Iron Man, Captain America, Black Widow, Thor, Hulk, and Hawkeye before culminating their journeys in Avengers Endgame. Over the course of over 20 films, the team amassed a plethora of allies, sacrificed their life, and fought side by side to defeat Thanos and restored the billions of people lost in his snap. However, the events of Endgame altered the Avengers' DNA for good. Black Widow and Iron Man died. Hulk is no longer angry, and Captain America decided to stay in the past, setting into a new life with his old flame Peggy Carter. Headed into Phase 4 of the MCU, it's highly likely that the team will look a whole lot of different in Avengers 5. And it won't be the first time that's happened in Marvel's storytelling history. So, who will join the team in Avengers 5? We have got some ideas. So viewers, let's get started today's 3-hour Comic Con update. Avengers Endgame did not completely disband the Avengers. Hawkeye and Smart Hulk are still around, but they may also be less inclined to carry on after all the losses they have faced. It's possible that Avengers 5 will include a mixture of old and new superheroes to carry on the legacy of the original team, and the MCU has already been laying the groundwork for the future. Black Panther, Spider-Man, Ant-Man, and Captain Marvel come to mind first. They are members of the old guard, so to speak, having already fought alongside the Avengers in Endgame, Infinity War, and Captain America Civil War. They are all incredibly powerful and capable superheroes with a ton of resources and a good moral compass. Black Panther has already proven himself a capable and thoughtful leader of Wakanda, while Ant-Man is game to join the team, whatever the case may be. Meanwhile, Spider-Man was already being groomed by Tony Stark to become an important member of the Avengers. Spider-Man Homecoming served more or less as a test to see how he might handle high-pressure situations. What's more, Tom Holland's new Marvel contract stipulates that he will appear in another Spider-Man movie and one other MCU film. So, it's a safe bet that he will appear in Avengers 5. Finally, there is Captain Marvel. She has not been around as long as the former and seems more comfortable flying solo. That said, she has been a member of the Avengers in the comics, and her strength surpasses that of any previous team member because she nearly took down Thanos single-handedly. It is possible that Captain Marvel might even take up leadership from Captain America. The two are fairly similar in nature and it has happened before. It is possible the next iteration of the Avengers may not include anyone from the MCU's first 3 phases at all. In the comics, the Young Avengers was the one group that did not consist of a rotating lineup of members like Iron Man and Captain America, which could provide some stability post-Endgame. Marvel also seems to be building towards a Young Avengers SQ team-up with its upcoming slot of Disney Plus shows. These series will introduce Ms. Marvel, She-Hulk, Moon Knight and Kate Bishop's Hawkeye to the MCU. And if the rumor of WandaVision's casting call proves true, then it's possible Wiccan, a well-known member of the Young Avengers, will also join the growing number of new characters. We also know that Hulk might be appearing in She-Hulk, and Clint Barton will be mentoring Kate Bishop in the Hawkeye series. So, it's possible they are being groomed by the current Avengers to take up the mantle. What's more, Ms. Marvel shares a connection with Captain Marvel, whom she was named after. The pair have even teamed up on quite a few occasions. There's also Jane Foster's Mighty Thor, who will make her debut in Thor: Love and Thunder. So many options are here. At the very least, the team in Avengers 5 may an amalgamation of all these characters. Of course, it's unclear if any of these characters will make the leap from Disney Plus to the MCU films. But if Falcon, Scarlet Witch and Loki can transition from film to TV, then anything is possible. Either way, there is an entire pool of fantastic characters to pull from without sticking to familiar faces when Marvel finally gets around to assembling a team for Avengers 5. If you don't know, we are 3R Comic Con, with all the information about the comic world created for comic fans. Those who are new to our channel, and if you are Avengers fan like us, please subscribe it now and click the bell icon next to it, so that the notification of all our videos reach you first.